We have some national news making headlines in the Weather Center this evening. Hurricane Michael was stronger than originally thought. More than 6 months after devastating Florida's panhandle, the hurricane was upgraded from a Category 4 to a Category 5 storm at landfall. Scientists at the National Hurricane Center say a post-storm analysis estimates sustained winds reached 160 miles per hour. That makes Michael one of only 4 recorded Category 5 hurricanes to make landfall in the U.S. and the first Category 5 hurricane to make landfall since Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Hurricane Michael caused about $25 billion in damage. Well, back here at home, SkyTrack shows that we're starting to notice those rain showers come to an end across the area. We do have a pesky area of low pressure across the state line of Tennessee and Kentucky that continues to spin off to the east, but it's very slow to do so. So we're still seeing some bands of wraparound moisture make their way towards the area. And as they're coming this way, they're running into dry air, so they're starting to dissipate, which you can see that trend. As we zoom in locally, these rain showers are going to continue to drive in, but they'll start to dissipate. But still, we have some of that light shower activity across eastern Jasper County into northern Crawford, into the Marshall area and Clark County and Vigo County, getting some of those showers. That's where the rain is going to be focused through the overnight hours, and we've seen plenty of rain across the area the past 2 days. Paris leading the pack, just shy of 2 inches of rain. Here in Charleston at the station on Eastern's campus, we measured 1 inch and 88 hundredths of rain, and those amounts did start to decrease as we went further off to the north. Tuscola just shy of 1 1/4 inches of rain over the past 2 days. If you have any rainfall amounts you'd like to share, I have this graphic posted on my Facebook page. You can post those there. We'd love to see how much rain you had across the area. And we're dealing with a strong northerly wind this evening. We do have sustained winds at 29 miles an hour right now in Champaign out of the north, 28 in Danville, 24 here in Charleston, and that's making it a very blustery evening and giving the air a little bit of a chill. We've had wind chills in the 30s at times today, especially this morning, and those rain showers are keeping our temperatures cooler across our eastern areas. 45 right now in Robinson, 46 in Paris. We're at 47 in Paris, 48 here in Charleston. But where the sunshine is starting to come back, we are seeing those temperatures warm up just a little bit into the lower 50s. In both Taylorville and Decatur, and this cold snap does have a name. This is officially dogwood winter. It occurs when we have a period of warm weather followed by a brief cold snap, and as you can see by this picture sent by my grandma Doris Lau, the dogwoods are blooming across the area, so this marks dogwood winter. And if the old folklore holds true, we will have another bout of cold weather called blackberry winter. That occurs when the blackberries are blooming. But fortunately, we do have that cloud cover, else we would be colder through the overnight hours, only down to 39 degrees tonight with those decreasing clouds. Again, we're going to keep that chance for some isolated showers across our eastern areas. That moisture is going to continue to work its way towards the area and then dissipate, so don't be surprised places like Hudsonville, Robinson, Palestine into Terre Haute. You may see some showers overnight, but going into Saturday, those clouds are going to be on the decrease, and our western counties are going to stay with the sunshine throughout the entire day on Saturday. Unfortunately, it is going to be remaining breezy for us. Even into the evening hours, we're going to have that north wind from about 20 to 25 miles an hour, gusts approaching 30 miles an hour. But the temperatures do start to recover for us up into the lower 30s or lower 60s for your daytime highs. 63 in the afternoon, still a pleasant evening with that breeze. And we're going to keep those clear skies going into Sunday as well. So Easter shaping up very nicely across the area. Nothing on Futurecast. So as we get into Sunday, we're also going to notice that wind shift and come out of the south. So that's going to really help boost our temperatures. Going to be very mild even for sunrise services. 43 is going to be your overnight low Sunday morning. And as we get into the midday hour, up into the mid-60s, and we top out in the upper 70s for those afternoon egg hunts. So a very warm Easter on the way, and that warming trend continues into the start of next week as well, up to 79 on Monday. I would not be surprised that our southern locations, places like Effingham, Newton, and Robinson, you guys will probably make it into the lower 80s. And then we do see another chance of showers and storms move back into the area on Tuesday, continuing into Wednesday. But even with those showers and storms, temperatures staying above average in the upper 60s on Wednesday, and then back in the lower 70s by the end of next week.